Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we are going to be learning how to set up iMessage on iPhone or iPad. Whether you are new to Apple or just setting up a new device, this video is completely beginner friendly and follows all the latest iOS updates. First of all, unlock your iPhone or your iPad and tap the Settings app on the main home screen. Once you open up the Settings app, scroll all the way down and tap on Messages, or if you don't see it there, tap on the Apps option at the bottom and inside the app list, look for Messages. Once you find it, tap on it and this will open up the next page from where you'll need to scroll down and toggle on the button right next to iMessage. After you do that, the toggle button should turn green. Your phone may take a few seconds to activate, and if asked, you'll need to sign in with your Apple ID and password. This will connect iMessage to your account so you can send and receive messages. Now, tap the Send and Receive button under iMessage and choose the email address or phone number you want to send and receive iMessages with. For most users, selecting phone number is enough. Now, once you are done, you can go back to the home screen and tap on the Messages app. Go to the top right corner from the Messages app and tap on the pencil button, and then go ahead and send a message to someone, and that is it. You have successfully set up iMessage on your iPhone or iPad. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more beginner-friendly tech guides. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.